Here is the tic-tac-toe game, which we are all familiar with: crosses and zeros, 3 in a line wins. Here is a slightly bigger version of the tic-tac-toe game. Instead of 3 rows and 3 columns, we are having 5 rows and 5 columns. And instead of crosses and zeros, we are having the blue checkers for the robot and red checkers for the human being. I have developed a small robot which can play tic-tac-toe with another human being. Let me press the reset button. It is probably the world's simplest and the cheapest robot which can play this board game with another human being. It operates simply on 5 volts. As you can see here, I have attached a USB power meter here, which is showing how less power it is consuming right now, and it is operating just on 5 volts. It consists of a ESP32 along with a camera, and ESP32 is a system on chip which has got a dual core 240 megahertz processor and Bluetooth and Wi-Fi capabilities as well. So it is doing the image processing in real time. Here it is waiting for the human player to play, and it is displaying the message play human. So I'm the human player here, and I will make my move here, and the robot will capture the image, process it, apply the game strategy algorithm on it, and make its own move. So it has realized that the human has played, so it is saying play robot, and it has got a small electromagnet on the tip of the gripper, and it has placed its checker on the game board. Now it is my turn, so I will place another checker probably here. So my goal is to bring 4 checkers in a line, and the robot is trying to bring the same thing, bring 4 blue checkers in a line. So robot picks another checker, and robot makes its own move. Also, it is blocking my move in the same time. So I was trying to place a few checkers in a line. Now I will also block the robot's way. My goal is to bring 4 red checkers in a line, and robot is trying to bring 4 blue checkers in a line. Okay, now I will possibly place it here so that few checkers can be in a line. So there are various difficulty levels which can be set using the programming. So 3 checkers of robot are already in a line. Now if I place the checker here, then the robot will place the another checker on the opposite side and it will win. So robot has brought 4 checkers in a line, and now it is displaying the message that the robot wins.